Good morning, respected SSS and my fellow candidates. Today, I would like to speak on One Nation, One Election. One Nation, One Election refers to the idea of holding Lok Sabha and all state legislative assembly elections simultaneously. This system is not new to India. In fact, elections were held together from 1951 to 1967. The practices stopped due to premature dissolution of assemblies, political instability, and imposition of president's rule. The main advantage of this system is cost efficiency. Conducting frequent elections involves massive expenditure on security, logistics, EVMs, and administration. Simultaneous elections can significantly reduce the financial burden on the government and political parties. Another important benefit is better governance. Repeated elections lead to the frequent enforcement of the model code of conduct, which displays policies, decision, and development work. One nation, one election would ensure continuity in governance and allow governments to focus on long term development instead of constant campaigning. It also helps in efficient use of security forces. At present, paramilitary forces are deployed again and again across streets. A single synchronized elections would reduce strain on manpower and improve internal security planning. However, there are serious challenges. India's federal structure may be affected as national issues could dominate state elections, reducing focus on regional concerns. Constitutional amendment would be required, which needs broad political consensus. There are also logistical challenges due to India's size, diversity, and population. Managing such a large scale election at one time would require robust planning and institutional preparedness. In conclusion, one nation, one election has clear administrative and economic benefit, but it must be implemented gradually, constitutionally, and with consensus, ensuring that federalism and democratic diversity are not compromised. Thank you.